I just have to read 8-push chapters, and then I also have to read some English stuff. So basically today's just reading and writing, and I do have math homework, but I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow because I don't know, I'm kind of feeling tired today. Hey guys, in today's episode of Cooking with the Cousins, we're making brownies.
This is the Ashley of
Why is it kind of a lot?
it's supposed to make like
Guys, so I'm about to go to Sam's Club with my cousins. They're picking me up. So this is my fit. It's like comfy fit. This is from Walmart. And then these are thrifted, but I think they're like some kind of like army. And then I don't know where these socks are, but they're pink fuzzy socks and they're so cute. Yay! Guys, so this is going to be the last portion of this video, but right now I am studying for some vocab. I have some artichoke tea in my melody cup, and this is basically all the work I have to do for this weekend. I was hanging out with my cousins all day today, so I didn't get any work done. So now it's like 9 o'clock and I have about 40 terms I have to memorize. I already know like 20 of them, so it's really just like 20 terms, so it's really not that bad. So I think I'm just gonna memorize this and then I'll skim through the book, make some notes, and that's like really all I'm gonna do. So this is kind of a chill weekend, and then on Sunday tomorrow I'll probably just skim through and make sure I know everything.